Welcome to Advanced CMDB Management, ACMDB by Dengena Technology Solutions, the ultimate tool for transforming how you manage your CMDB. Managing CMDB can be challenging. Organizations face hurdles like inaccurate data, inefficient manual process, lack of visibility, scalability issues, and lack of trust in the CMDB. ACMDB is designed to address these problems and more by democratizing data maintenance, enhancing CMDB data maintenance efficiency, improving CMDB data visibility, ensuring effective data governance, automating data maintenance, aligning with the CSDM, and scaling seamlessly with organizational growth. Let's explore how ACMDB transforms CMDB management. ACMDB is an application built on top of the ServiceNow platform. It is more than just a tool. It features an intuitive dynamic configuration management system, CMS portal, that streamlines the management of services and applications you own, CI relationships, and data governance processes. Service owners and application owners can use the portal to consume and maintain data, enabling data democratization with data governance. View a complete list of all of services you own in one central location. With just a click, dive deeper into each service to see details of the service. Explore offerings related to your services. AC doesn't just stop at services. It's your all-in-one tool to bring every business application you own into clear focus. Imagine accessing detailed insights on each application right at your fingertips. Dive deep into the details, understand the full picture from business impact to technical specifications. You can effortlessly manage CIs related to your service or application. Easily access ServiceNow's CI Health Dashboard from ACMDB portal. Get health reports for individual CIs. Stay ahead with the history of changes on CI, all while ensuring your data is secure. ServiceNow's CI Health Dashboard simplifies monitoring and understanding health trends, empowering you to make informed decisions. With ACMDB, you can effortlessly access ServiceNow's dependency map right from the ACMDB portal. Visualize these dependencies, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize performance. Our intuitive interface helps you stay ahead of issues before they arise, ensuring your application and service runs smoothly with ACMDB. ACMDB allows you to add multiple relationships intuitively with configuration items, CIs, through an interface that is automatically aligned with the Common Service Data Model, CSDM. This alignment helps your business applications run smoothly by maintaining accurate and up-to-date information about your CMDB. ACMDB allows you to edit CIs seamlessly through an intuitive interface. This user-friendly design ensures that you can easily update and manage your CIs with due governance, allowing you to maintain accurate and up-to-date information about your services and applications. All proposed CI updates go through a governance process and are only committed when authorized. This ensures that changes are properly reviewed and approved, maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your CMDB data. Ensuring the accuracy of your CMDB data is crucial for maintaining trust in your CMDB, achieving compliance, and making informed decisions. With ServiceNow's attestation and certification features, you get automated, streamlined solutions that help your organization stay aligned with both IT and business objectives. Manage your attestation and certification tasks effortlessly right from the ACMDB portal. ACMDB offers an intuitive portal interface that provides a simple and efficient way to complete attestations and certifications. ACMDB enables teams to systematically review, attest, and reject. The attestation interface highlights data that needs attestation, show incomplete tasks, and offer insights to track progress. By streamlining these critical processes, ACMDB helps maintain trust in your CMDB while reducing manual effort and improving accountability. With ACMDB, managing your certification tasks becomes effortless. Automate the validation of critical data to ensure it meets IT and organizational standards. Certification workflows streamline the process by identifying discrepancies, tracking completion progress, and providing a detailed overview of compliance. ACMDB empowers teams to certify their CMDB data efficiently, ensuring accuracy and currency. Introducing the Owner's Dashboard, your tool for managing business applications and services you own. With the Owner's Dashboard, gain detailed insights about business applications and services you own at your fingertips. The owner's dashboard serves as a centralized hub for CMDB insights, offering CI owners key metrics on CI health, affected CIs, recent discovery data, and operational insights, including incidents and changes linked to business applications and services. Improve accountability and maintain trust in your CMDB with the ACMDB's Owner's Dashboard. Optimize, Align, Succeed. Revolutionize your CMDB management with ACMDB today and take the next step in transforming your CMDB. ACMDB is available now in the ServiceNow store. Contact us for more.